Hold on, I can't see you. I can't even see you. I can't even see your face. Okay, there.
Can you see my figure at least?
Yeah, I can see you. Stop moving. I gotta see you. Alright. Go. You're about to fall. Come on. Come on, Aaron. That's cold. Don't do that. Now let me try. You're gonna get my phone wet. Give me the gloves. Don't you even. Stop it. Give me the gloves.
I don't know.
I'm still recording.
I can see you. You're so cool.
Here, take the phone.
Shit, is that another cut? Why are the cops just coming down looking?
I don't know.
Dude, I got snow like all up in the trees. What is fucking nice? Okay.
Drunk people from Jacob.
Let me try. Can I go now?
What?
The cops.
Oh, I don't know what's going on. Okay.
Okay, right?
Wait. Come up here to the lens and say hi. Hi. Where are you going? Dad?
Can you do a roundhouse, I think it's called?
Isn't it when you just go like half on the
Like
ground?
this.
I
I hit the cone. Here, do you want them?
Wait.
I look like Mickey Mouse. You know what? I'm talking to you.
Oh my God. Hey, that was my leg.
Dude, I get snow all over my shoe.
That's who's
Are you done? That butt.